Hey everyone, Rich Munroe here, Diamond Edge Short-Term Rentals. I'm looking forward to the upcoming workshop. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about. It's going to be on January 29th, and it is going to focus on what we call the rental arbitrage model for setting up master leases with short-term rentals. And so this is a quick and easy way to get involved with short-term rentals as a model. You can basically set up a lease on a property, get it staged and get it set up with minimal expense versus kind of going the traditional route and buying a property. So we're going to be doing a deep dive to talk about that strategy. We're actually down here now in Midtown Atlanta at one of our 27 unit buildings that we've got kind of a rooftop setup up here, as you can see in the background. We've got a pretty nice view of the Atlanta skyline from here. And so this is a pretty popular location. We've got all one-bedroom units here that are pretty much constantly booked, even through COVID. We're going to talk a little bit about kind of the market analysis and how we strategically can make 3 to 4 times the monthly revenue over the lease cost each month. And so the other thing we're going to offer here too, which is we did last month, kind of a short-term rentals 101, a basic introduction to short-term rentals. We recorded that 4-hour webinar. We're going to make that available too as an option for you guys that want to attend our January 29th workshop. And so we did a deep dive there on the market analysis, on setting up the property, how do you build the teams, what's involved with the Airbnb platform, and so you can understand kind of strategically the best way to set up the listing to be profitable in this business. So super excited to have you guys join us on January 29th. Atlanta RIA is going to basically be sponsoring this and setting it up for us. So I'll have a link down below if you're interested in registering. Like I said, we'll include another 4-hour webinar recording there too. So it's definitely going to be worth the time and energy to learn about this exciting business. So look forward to seeing you guys and teaching you guys a little bit more about the sharing economy. And we'll see you guys then. Thanks. Bye-bye.